Okay, this is exercise 1.1. Okay, let's look at the first question. Okay, look at the first question, right? Question 1. Okay, question 1. So write down all the factors. Write down all the factors of each of the following numbers. Okay, so first one. First one is 15, right? 15, how many factors we have? 15 equals to what? Equals to 1 times 15, right? Of course, apparently. 3 times 5, right? Okay, so how many factors we have? Okay, we have 1, we have 3, we have 5, we have 15, right? So, okay, how about B? Let's look at B. B is 28, right? 28, apparently we can 1 times 28, no problem. 2 times 14, right? Then, can we times 3? No, not count, right? Okay, so 4 times 7, right? Okay, so how many factors we have? How many factors we have for this for this number? Well, 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, and 28. Okay, this is all the factors. Okay, be careful. We are looking for the factors of all the following numbers. We are not looking for the prime number. Prime factors. We are looking at all factors. All factors. Okay, careful. All factors. All factors. Okay, let's look at C. C, what's number? C is 32, right? That's 2. We have 1 times 32. Okay, so we have a 2 times 16, right? So we have 4 times. What do we have? 4 times 8, right? So any other number we have? Any other number do we have for this number? So basically, I think this probably is all the numbers, right? So we have 1, 2, okay, so about 8. Okay, so another one is the 8. Okay, so okay, all numbers. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. Okay, this is all the factors of this number. Okay, let's look at the D, the 43. So 43, how many we have? 43, how much we have? 43, we have 1 times 43. Okay, so how many factors of this number? So we have 1 and 43. Okay, and it means which means itself, right? So we have 1 and 43. Do we have any other numbers? Let's try 3. Any other numbers? We don't have any other numbers, right? So this is the answer. Okay, so okay, let's move on. So basically, if this is the case, so this is a question. Let's look at question 2. Write down the first four multiples of each of the following number. Okay, so A is 2, right? Okay, so first, so then which means 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we get an answer, right? Okay, what is this? The first 4 multiples. The first 4 multiples, right? The first 4 multiples. So in this case, so what do we get? We got 2, we got 4, we got 6, we got 8, right? Okay. Now how about B? B is what? B is 5. 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 3, 5 times 4, right? So what do we get? This one 5, 10, 15, 20, right? So how about C? C is what? C is 11, right? 11 times 1, 11 times 2, 11 times 3, 11 times 4. So we got 11, we got 22, we got 33, we got 44, right? Okay, so how about D? D, what is this? D is 23. 23 times 1, 23 times 2, 23 times 3, 23 times 4. So what's the answer? What's the answer? It's answer 23. Answer 23. So what's this answer? 646. So 69, right? So this one 2, 2, 8, 92, right? Okay, it's very straightforward, right? So let's look at the question 3. Let's look at question 3. Let's look at question 3. Okay, what is the question 3? Question 3. Determine whether 7 is a factor of this 2, 3. Determine 7 is the factor of this the 2, 3, 9, 5. Okay. How to determine? Okay. Let's. We can just use this number. Okay. 2, 3, 9, 5. Okay. So we can just use this number and divide by this one. Okay. 7. So right. So first one is 3, right? 2, 9. Again we do the 3, right? So 21. So we get now so become we use 4. Sorry. Okay. Here we use a 4, and we become 28, right? 15. Okay. So 15 here got 2. 14 we got 1. Okay. Now, so 7 is not a factor of 2, 3, 9, 5. Okay, we just simply divide it, then we will know that. Okay, and this is question 3. Okay, very fast, right? So let's move on to the question 4. So what's the question 4? Question 4 said, okay, determine whether is the 2816 is a multiple of 11. Okay. So basically, okay, that's the same thing, right? It's the same thing. It's a multiple. Now it's looking at the multiples of 11. So we just divide by 11. So this one is how much? 2, right? 2 is 22, right? Here is how much? 6, right? 61, right? So in this case, we can put 5, 55. So how much we get? 6. Okay, yes. Okay. Okay, so in this case, 2816 equals to the 11 times 256. So in this case, yes, okay, 2816 is the multiples of 11. Okay, let's look at question 5. Question 5. Find the smallest prime factors of 377. Smallest prime factor. So okay, or 377 smallest prime factor. Okay, prime factor. Okay, so what's the prime factors? Okay, let's look at this number. So actually fine. Basically, let's try. Do we still remember? Now we find out whether it's the prime. So we can we divide? We try this one. Okay. So first thing, let's try this 377. Can we try 2 first? So we get 2, 17. Here can we put the 8, 17, 8. No, this we can't use 2. Then how about 377? Can we divide by 3? 1, 2, 17, right? 17 here is A. 16. Sorry, here is 6. No, we can't say it's 5. It's a 5. And we get 2. No. So in this case, so to find the smallest prime number for this 377. So let's continue. Okay, so we already try. In this case, we'll continue to try we'll use all the prime factors. So prime numbers. So okay, how are we gonna do? Okay, let's try this. Let's try this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number. Just now we have determined this, right? We already determined this is not correct, right? How about 5? So can't, right? So also can't. Let's try 7. So in this case, it's a 4, right? Now it's 3, right? We put 3. 21. We have 5 count, right? Let's try 11. We put 3. For 7. 4. 44. 3. Count. This one also count. Let's try 13. So we get 3. This is 9 count, right? So we have put 2. This is 6. This is 2, right? So we get 1, 1, 7, right? Okay. How about this one? Can we put 7? Oh, we'll put 9. 2. Oh yeah. Okay. This one is good. Okay. This is good. This is good. So what is the smallest? The smallest prime number is what? It is 13. 13 is the smallest prime factor. The smallest prime factors of this 377. Okay. So we use the calculation to find out this. Okay. Now let's look at the question 6. Okay. Let's look at question 6. Okay. Find the largest multiple of 17. 1 is less than 1,000. Less than 1,000. So basically, this is we're going to calculate that. Okay. So basically, the 6. So where the final number is the smallest, the largest multiple of 17 less than 1,000. So less than 1,000. So in this case, we try 1,000 first. So multiple of 17, right? So how about these things? How we calculate that one? Can we put a 5 here? First we put a 5. So it's for 8. Is that 85? Yes, this is 85, right? 85 then comes to 5. This is not 1, right? About 0 here. So next one is good. Can we put 8? So 8. Okay, so it's 6, right? 5. 5 not 5. 8 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 12. Okay, it's 12. It's 12. So if this is the case, for 56, then 8 plus 5 is 13. Sorry, it's 13, right? So it's 13, right? Okay, it's 13. So here we'll get, we got 4, right? Here got 4, right? 4 is 1. Okay, count. Okay, so in this case, so basically we are looking at this around the largest multiple. So basically we are looking at this the largest multiple is 1,000. So in this case, is less than. So can we use this 58? So if you use this one, so we find out. Okay, so let's look at the equation becomes this, like what? So the sorry is less than. Okay, so is less than 1,000. So in this case we have we have a number. It's 1,000 equals to how much? 17 times 58 plus, because the balance is 14, right? Okay, so in this case, so if we don't take this 14, we just remove this 14. Okay, for example, we remove this 14. Okay, if this is the case, then we have to change to here, right? So become 1,000 minus 14 equals to 17 times 58. So what's the number? So bigger number is 1,000 minus 14, right? So here's how much? Is 6, 9 minus 9 minus is 9a, right? So okay, in this case we get this, the nearest multiply is 17 times 58 equal to 186. So the largest multiple of 17, so is 986. The 96 actually is 17 times 58, right? Okay, so this is the answer, right?